Today, we're going to see what are the best-sounding V10 cars of all time, starting with the Porsche Carrera GT. The Carrera GT features a carbon fiber monocoque and subframe, which contributes to its lightweight and high rigidity. The design includes a sleek, aerodynamic body with a low profile and a removable roof panel, making it a Targa-style roadster. At its heart, the Carrera GT has a naturally aspirated 5.7-litre V10 engine capable of producing around 612 horsepower. It comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, a choice that emphasizes driver engagement and control. The Carrera GT is known for its challenging driving dynamics, in part due to the manual gearbox and lack of modern electronic aids. Now let's hear it.